Hi friends, 12.4 is about spheres. Here's your formula. It's 4/3. And I always make this fraction bar line long because everything else needs to be above the 3 when you go to answer it and leave it as a fraction. So it's 4/3 pi r cubed. So you just put the radius right there. So when you put the 11 right there, use the Desmos calculator to get this, because when they say leave your answer in exact terms of pi, they want a fraction with a pi at the side. So this is going to be whatever this top is over 3, and you're going to leave your pi there. So all you're typing in your calculator is the 4 times the 11 cubed. So just do this. 4 times 11, and then this A to the B button can give you a cubed. So 5324 is going to be your numerator next to your pi. And that can be your final answer. So it's left as a fraction with pi in it. Then they want it to the nearest inch. So then you put this whole thing in your calculator. So you'll do 5324 pi, and that changes it to a decimal. Don't forget the divided by 3, because that's the answer that you put in first, and then you'll round this to the 10th, or I think it's the nearest inch is what this wants. So 5575. Right, and then the only thing that's different in this chapter is if you get to one that's a hemisphere, but that just means cut it in half. So that is tricky to get the fraction for that. So let's do this one. 4/3 pi r cubed, and this time the radius is 31. Here. There. 4 times 31 to the 3rd power. That's 119164. So this is the volume of the whole sphere. Remember, this is just half of it, so you just have to cut this in half. So when you divide this by 1/2, or times it by 1/2, it just makes your numerator become a 6. Because it's a keep, flip, change. Dividing by 2 is the same as timesing by 1/2. So just make it a 6 in the bottom and leave the 119164 pi as your numerator. And then same thing, when you go to type that in your calculator, I wonder if you can just hit times pi. Yep, and then divide it by 3, and then divide all of that by 2. And that's how you get that one.